Hello everyone, I'm Dan and today I'm heading from the Marriott Hotel at Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco, and I'm heading up towards Lombard Street. So this is just a wee video to show you how to get there. So if you see down there, that's the entrance to the Marriott, and up that big hill and to the left and along a wee bit, that's where Lombard Street is. Now I'm thinking you could maybe go that way, but Google Maps is telling me this way. So let's see. It's famous for its hills. Oh, hang on. Need to rush, I've got a white line. White light. Oh. Here we've got another hill. Welcome to San Francisco. Look at that. It's amazing walking about these streets. Seen them so many times in films. So, oh, I found it. I thought, surely that's not it. Aye, it is. I thought it'd be a bit more flavoury. That's Lombard Street. I'll go up this way. The crookedest street in the world. Just a shame I came this time of year and all the flowers are died. I wonder what the house prices are like. Oh, it's hard work. And we're nearly at the top. Oh no, no. Bit more to do, I want. I can see the end in sight. Oh, what a street today. Oh, it's a lot of steps. And there it is. Well, that was Lombard Street from the Marriott Hotel. Oh, it's an easy part to get to walk back down again. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. It really helps the channel out. I'll leave a wee comment. Thank you. Goodbye.